There's so much space.
All right, Melissa, so tell me about your current home that you live in. It's a single wide, isn't it?
Yes, single. It's very outdated, probably 13 years old. Not at all updated to what I would expect now. Vents are on the floor, which I hate. Wallpaper lining in the middle of the walls, the windows too, the doors, the setup the way it is, the living room. The front door obviously is still the living room. There's carpet, so our front door is technically the utility room.
You know, some families who have a single wide look to upgrade to a double wide for more space. Have you and your husband ever considered that option?
We have considered it. Currently, we're on hold.
Have you ever been inside a modern manufactured home?
I know his aunt has one that's a little more modern. It's a double wide. Technically, haven't really looked at everything. I'm pretty anxious to see how the setups are nowadays.
So we have a great home that Faith recently staged. It's called the Clayton NXT Lorelei, and I think it'll fit your style. Want to go take a look?
Definitely. Wow, this is really nice. Wow, I love the beams. This island is really nice. Looks heavy duty. I mean, I wouldn't even need a table. It's just me and my husband.
Do you have a kitchen island in your home?
No, we barely have a kitchen.
So what are some things you're seeing right off the bat that's different about this home versus your own?
The walls, they're normal walls, not a mobile home wall. I love that. I love the trimming. The ceiling, no popcorn. I love this farm sink. It's really big. Wow, these cabinets are really nice. And I love the vents. I really love the vents. Nice. It's really cold in there. Oh, she did a great job. Nice. That's big. Oh, wow. That looks heavy duty. That's nice. I didn't even notice the door. That is nice. I love it. I love the windows. Oh yeah, definitely. These windows are easy breezy.
Well, let's show you the primary room over here.
I love the fans. Do we have a fan? No, we don't have no ceiling fan. See?
For real?
No, we don't have no ceiling fan. And I want to say it's taller too, the roof.
Versus your own home?
I think so. Oh my gosh, it's a huge closet. My closet is like probably this. And I love all these. They're not the old-fashioned doorknobs that I hate from the old mobile homes. Oh my God. I love both of these. His would be a mess. Mine would be clean. And I love the tub. This window is a selling point for sure. Shower. There's so much space. I love these cabinets too. There's so much storage in here. You can actually walk in here. In our restroom the counter's probably half the size, the toilet and the walk-in.
No
All
tub?
No tub. The shower is not even plastic on the walls. So, and we have well water, so it is not good on the shower.
And then over here is the secondary.
This is pretty much as big as our restroom.
Your primary restroom? Wow.
Yeah, it's small. This is a big area, definitely big enough for a living room. It kind of gives me a feel of my living room, which is not very big. So, I mean, but this one for a secondary one is pretty big. It's a different feel. It feels secluded. This actually feels like a home that you can look out the window. I feel like my house is not so much, there's not a lot of windows.
Really?
Maybe because it's small. Gosh, it's huge. We have a 2-bedroom and it's not very kid-friendly, which my kids have messed it up. Wow. I love these doors though, really nice. And one thing I like is the trimming on all the doors. Really nice. Even in the closets, like you don't see that, especially my mobile home. I love the way you stage it, Faith. It looks perfect. I would love for you to decorate my home. The new mobile homes are really nice. Like everything's upgraded. Gets a feel of a custom home. You don't have that mobile home feeling when you come in.
So is this something you could see yourself upgrading to?
I could. Yeah, definitely. talking my husband into it.